Shocking facts about lightning. Ever wondered? Lightning doesn't just strike down. Some bolts shoot up into space. Blue jets and red sprites light up the upper atmosphere. Can volcanic eruptions create lightning? Yes. Volcanic ash clouds generate massive electrical storms, lighting up the sky. Mysterious fireballs entering homes. Scientists still can't fully explain ball lightning glowing orbs that float and suddenly disappear. Where is the lightning capital of the world? Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela, experiences lightning 260 nights a year. Subscribe to explore the mysteries of nature.